Welcome to Kids Joyful Learning, learning for kids of all ages. Get ready to explore the farm and meet all the amazing farm animals today. This is a cow. A cow is a farm animal that gives milk, which people use to make butter, cheese, and other foods. Cows have large bodies, gentle eyes. They live on farms and often stay in groups called herds. This is an alpaca. Alpacas are gentle animals that live in the mountains of South America. They have soft, thick wool that keeps them warm in cold weather. Alpacas are used by people for their wool to make clothes and blankets. This is a lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep that is very soft and fluffy. Lambs drink their mother's milk to grow strong and healthy. They live in pastures with their mother. Lambs eat grass and plants as they grow older. This is a donkey. Donkeys are strong and hard-working animals, often used by people to carry loads and pull carts. They have long ears, tough hooves, and a gentle nature. Donkeys eat grass, hay, and grains. This is a chick. A chick is a baby chicken that hatches from an egg. Chicks are small, fluffy, and very cute. They drink their mother hen's milk at first. Chicks follow their mother closely for warmth and protection. This is a hen. A hen is a female chicken that is commonly raised on farms around the world. Hens are known for laying eggs, which people use as food. They have soft feathers and strong feet for scratching the ground. This is a rooster. A rooster is a male chicken known for its loud crowing sound early in the morning. Roosters have bright feathers, a red comb on their head, and strong claws on their feet. They protect the hens and watch for danger. This is a horse. Horses are strong and fast animals that have been living with humans for thousands of years. They have long legs, flowing manes, and powerful muscles that help them run quickly. Horses eat grass. This is a ram. A ram is an adult male sheep known for its strong, curved horns. Rams live in flocks with other sheep and are very protective of their group. They eat grass, plants, and hay. This is a calf. A calf is a baby cow. Calves are born on farms and drink their mother's milk to grow strong and healthy. They have soft fur, long legs, and big, gentle eyes. As they grow, this is a bull. A bull is an adult male cow known for its strong body and muscular build. Bulls have large horns and a powerful neck to help them defend themselves. They live on farms and grasslands and eat grass and plants. This is a mountain goat. Mountain goats are strong animals that live high in rocky mountains of North America. They have thick white fur that keeps them warm in cold weather. Mountain goats are excellent climbers and can walk on steep. This is a goose. A goose is a large water bird that lives near lakes, rivers, and farms. Geese have long necks, strong wings, and webbed feet that help them swim. They eat grass, grains, and small plants. This is a camel. Camels are large desert animals known for the humps on their backs. Their humps store fat, which gives them energy when food is hard to find. They have long eyelashes and closable nostrils to keep out sand. This is a camel. Camels are large desert animals known for the humps on their backs. Their humps store fat, which gives them energy when food is hard to find. They have long eyelashes and closable nostrils to keep out sand. This is a duck. Ducks are water birds that live near ponds, lakes, and rivers. They have flat beaks and webbed feet that help them swim easily. Their feathers are waterproof, which keeps them dry while swimming. This is a llama. Llamas are strong animals that live in the mountains of South America. They have long necks and thick wool that keeps them warm in cold weather. Llamas are often used to carry heavy samans. This is a yak. Yaks are large, strong animals that live in cold mountain regions like the Himalayas. Long fur that keeps them warm in freezing weather. Yaks are used by people to carry heavy loads and provide milk. This is a duck. Ducks are water birds that live near ponds, lakes, and rivers. They have webbed feet that help them swim easily, and flat beaks for finding food in the water. Ducks eat plants, insects, and small fish.